Hello, I'm Ryan F9, and if you know this channel, you know that one of the most common comments on our videos is Fortnite should make movies. So thank you for keeping on us, because it went to our heads and we spent the last year making our first feature film, which was the greatest ride of my life. Specifically, we tried to break the circumnavigation record by riding across America and Europe and India, Southeast Asia, Australia, then back through Alaska in less than 19 days, 4 hours, carrying a filmmaker pillion 24/7. That's the only way that we could get a hyper-polished but hyper-real documentary about a motorcycle race. And our Lebanese shooter here has a saying for when you tell a beloved brother to hurry the hell up. It's Yalla, Habibi, and you can pre-order that film right now via the link below. It comes out on December 27th. And if you're anywhere near Vancouver on the 22nd, you can also buy tickets below for the premiere, which will be at the iconic Rio Theater. And if none of that interests you, thank you still for being the inspiration that made this movie happen. I hope you enjoy the first of our official trailers.
Imagine seeing us. You're pumping gas in your minivan. You're about to go to the grocery store or whatever, and all of a sudden just like two Ducati roll up. There's three guys just run and piss and drink and eat, chew food, and then who's getting water? I gotta pee. Smack the top back on their bikes. It's crazy, dude. It's so fun though.
We want to do something definitive. Do it as a true race.
Just wait.
Fucking A, man. Gary just texted to say they're trying to rush import the bikes so Ducati Istanbul will own them, but they're doing an interval check on us right now. We bribed these in Disney.
I seriously doubt that you'll be able to make it in time.
It's not a super safe thing to do, but motorcycling is not a super safe thing to do. That's kind of the point.
Hey, did you get some good shots of your boss shitting? We're burning 8K. Burning 8K, dude.